Hey, I'm Evan Smith with brothersperformance.com. Today we're going to check out Eibach Pro-Kit lowering springs designed to fit 79 to 04 Mustangs. This kit starts right around $230 and will improve handling and appearance by dropping your Mustang about an inch at each corner. Eibach Pro-Kit utilizes a progressive rate spring design which results in excellent cornering performance without sacrificing ride quality. This kit is compatible with factory struts and shocks and also includes Eibach's million-mile warranty. By reducing the large fender gaps, your Mustang will take on a mean stance, plus lowering your Mustang drops the center of gravity for improved handling and cornering ability. Now that you've got the basics, let's break out the wrenches and get this Mustang lowered. Begin by supporting the car using a lift or jack stands and then remove the front wheels. Unbolt and remove the brake caliper and set it carefully to the side, then disconnect the top nut of the anti-sway bar end link. Using the socket designed for the star-headed bolt on the ABS sensor, remove the bolt and then the ABS sensor wire from the spindle. Next, support the lower A-arm using a floor jack. Apply only a small load to the arm to allow removal of the two lower strut bolts. With the bolts removed, carefully lower the floor jack and remove the coil springs from the vehicle. We slid our new grip isolators on the Eibach front springs and installed the springs in the Mustang. When doing so, be certain that the lower portion of the spring is seated properly. Raise the jack and guide the sway bar end link into place and install the nut. Then reinstall the two strut bolts and tighten them to the proper torque specification. Following this, replace the ABS sensor and bolt the brake caliper back in place. Now you can move to the back. Remove the rear wheels and support the rear axle housing with a hydraulic jack. Disconnect the rear anti-roll bar followed by the quad shocks if your Mustang is equipped with them, along with the lower shock mounts. Now you can lower the jack supporting the rear and remove the springs from the vehicle. Next, remove the factory snubber and bracket, which is located above the rear housing, and swap the factory snubber with the small urethane version provided in the kit. Following this, we replaced the worn spring isolators with our new grip isolators and installed the springs into the Mustang. We then replaced the shocks, quad shocks, and the rear anti-sway bar. Lastly, we bolted up our wheels and we're ready to hit the road. To learn more about what's available for your late model performance car, be sure to check out brothersperformance.com and stop by our showroom and installation center located in DeLand, Florida, or call 1-800-486-2681.